Now that the season of AI has gone, which means free usage of AI is now ended, you can't find season of AI in your admin dashboard or in your sub account. But if you still want to cancel your season of AI, this is how you can do it. All you have to do is go into your agency dashboard and click on settings and then find AI employee. This is where you can find the sub account name and if the feature is enabled, if the rebilling is turned on or not, and the payment plan, and then who this is charged to. It could be either charged to an agency or it could be charged to the sub account. So you can change all this in here. So if you try to turn this feature off by toggling here, you can see AI employee cannot be disabled as there is either phone number registered to an AI agent or an unlimited monthly plan is active. So if you have a phone number registered, all you have to do is go into your sub account and disconnect that phone number from the AI agent. If that's not the case, you don't have a phone number in your sub account, it's most probably there's an unlimited plan is active. So in that case, what you can do is you can either click here on these three dots and change plan. Since it is already in subscription plan, the plan you can change is to pay per use. When you toggle into pay per use, your unlimited usage plan becomes cancelled and you will only charge if you are using this feature. So select pay per use and click to change the plan. So that's all you have to do. And then the subscription will get canceled. If you have already been using something and you need a refund or something, that you have to talk to GoHighLevel support. But this is how you can change your plan and cancel your unlimited AI subscription. Now, in case you want to charge this to a sub account, all you can do is click here and change billing and select charge selected sub account. If by default it is charge my agency, that's why we are changing to charge the selected sub account. So during setting up, if you have already selected charge the sub account, you don't have to do anything. So this is how you can change the billing from agency to a sub account and then charge them for the rebilling. If you toggle this on and if the Stripe is connected, you can rebuild those sub accounts. Okay. So in short, if you want to cancel your AI employee 97 per month plan, all you have to do is go into your agency account, click on settings and find AI employee and click on these three dots and click on change plan and select pay per use and click change plan and your subscription will be canceled. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and bye.